Are you ready to uncover one of the most mysterious mistakes ever minted by the U.S. Mint? Picture this. You run a hand through a pocketful of loose change, and in it lies a coin that defies logic, born of a fateful mix-up of dies, combining George Washington with a soaring eagle. A coin deemed so rare, experts call it the holy grail of modern-era coins. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the 2000 P Sacagawea Dollar Coin that's part history lesson, part detective story, and part numismatic legend. Stick around, because this tale of chance, rarity, and multimillion-dollar value is a journey you won't forget. The 2000 P Sacagawea Dollar. This extraordinary coin, the famed 2000 P Sacagawea Dollar Mule error, is one of the most profound accidental creations in modern U.S. numismatics. It's called a mule because the coin combines obverse and reverse dies that were never meant to go together, specifically a Washington quarter obverse paired with the Sacagawea dollar's reverse. This anomaly arose when a cracked Sacagawea obverse die was mistakenly replaced with a Washington quarter die, causing a brief, unintentional mintage of these mismatched coins. Wikipedia, NGC. The first of these mules was discovered in May 2000, found by a collector in Arkansas among a roll that had been included in a Cheerios promotional set. Yes, the same cereal box coins. The U.S. Mint authenticated the error in July 2000, acknowledging it as a legitimate and unplanned national minting mishap. Pioneer worldwide. Wikipedia, NGC. Since then, only a tiny number have surfaced. As of the most recent tallies, only about 19 to 21 examples are known and certified, with the majority owned by one passionate collector, Tommy Bullock. Wikipedia, Pioneer worldwide, NWBCN, Cody Hitch. Historical context. In 2000, the U.S. Mint introduced the Sacagawea dollar to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar. Around 1.3 billion Sacagawea dollars were minted across Philadelphia, 767 million, Denver 519 million, and San Francisco about 4 million. Wikipedia. Despite aggressive marketing including serial partnerships with the likes of Cheerios, public acceptance fell flat, and most coins returned to face value circulation. Amid this surfeit of minting activity, chaos at the mint led to the erroneous die swap. A Washington quarter obverse die was incorrectly used to strike a Sacagawea planchette, producing an unusual cross-denomination mule. The mint recognized the error quickly, withdrawing most of the error coins, but a small number escaped destruction and entered the hands of collectors. Wikipedia, Pioneer worldwide, physical description and design features. This mule stands out immediately to any collector. Obverse features George Washington's portrait identical to his appearance on a 50-state quarter. Designed originally by John Flanagan and modified by William Cousins, the portrait betrays no hint of the intended Sacagawea design. Wikipedia. Reverse bears the trademark soaring eagle of the Sacagawea dollar, designed by Thomas D. Rogers, the golden eagle in flight above $1. Wikipedia. Mint mark P for Philadelphia. Edge, plain, like a dollar coin, not rated as the quarter would be. Composition and measurements, similar specifications to regular Sacagawea dollars. Copper core and manganese-brass outer alloy. About 26.49 mm diameter and 8.1 grams weight. Wikipedia, NGC, mintage rarity and public fascination. Experts estimate that as many as hundreds of thousands of mule coins may have been briefly struck due to the die mix-up, but the majority were discovered and destroyed by Mint employees shortly thereafter. Only a couple dozen survive into the collector realm. Cody Hitch, Wikipedia, Pioneer worldwide, NWBCN. Because of this scarcity and the dramatic story behind it, these coins have become legendary. They achieved the #1 ranking on the list of 100 greatest U.S. error coins. Next Vision Financial Group, Cody Hitch, coins value. Coin dealers and collectors regard them as the holy grail of modern U.S. error coins, market value, and auction records. The mule error's value has skyrocketed over the years. In March 2018, a PCGSENGC certified MS67 mule die pair 1 achieved $190 to $1,000 at auction. Next Vision Financial Group, NWBCN. In January 2024, a PCGS-graded MS66 example from die pair 1 fetched $194,062.50, including premium, setting a new record. Cody Hitch. PCGS estimates that a typical mule in MS66 grade is worth about $125,000 Cody Hitch. Other sales have ranged from tens of thousands to six-figure prices, depending on condition and provenance. NWBCN. Next Vision Financial Group, Cody Hitch. Some earlier private sales recorded around $66,000, Pioneer worldwide. Some media outlets also reference record numbers like $88,125 in 2013 for proof mule errors, although details and counts vary. This underscores the sustained high value and interest the Sun. Collector appeal and authentication. What makes this coin so magnetic to collectors? Rarity. Fewer than 25 known examples make it extraordinarily scarce. Historical significance. It was the first authentic mule error among regular strike U.S. coinage, not a commemorative or proof piece. PCGS, Wikipedia. Visual impact. A coin that literally defies expectation, a Washington-headed dollar. Stories and provenance. Many of the coins carry detailed records, were components of the 100 greatest list, and most are part of the private collection of a major numismatic figure. Next Vision Financial Group, Cody Hitch, Wikipedia. Authentication demands careful examination. Confirm the Washington quarter obverse, Sacagawea eagle reverse, plain edge, and P mint mark. Look for die cracks characteristic of specific die pairs, for example, cracks through the FN of or star fields, as noted in diagnostic studies. Next Vision Financial Group, Cody Hitch. Submit for grading and authenticating to PCGS or NGC for verification and to establish provenance, critical for high-end selling. Opening parenthesis, pennyverse.info. Summary of key details. Coin, 2000 P Sacagawea Dollar Mule Washington quarter obverse plus Sacagawea reverse. Discovery, May 2000, Arkansas's Cheerios roll. Mint, Philadelphia P. Rarity, approximately 19 to 21 examples known. Auction highs, $190 to $1,000 2018, $194,062.50 2024. Grading, MS66 to MS67 for top specimens. Collector interest, ranked number 1 of modern era coins, intense demand. Authentication, requires die diagnostic, grading, and provenance. In short, the 2000 P error Sacagawea Dollar Mule is a modern legend born of chaos, surviving by luck, and celebrated by collectors worldwide. From a mix-up at the mint to multimillion-dollar smash auctions, this coin's journey is as dramatic as its design is unexpected. Let me know when you're ready for me to tackle the next coin, or to tailor the script further, perhaps in a different tone or more streamlined. But if it's always this polished and detail-rich, your audience is in for a treat.